Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can add subtotals as well as group your rows in Excel during the course of your analysis. And I'll be demonstrating this using these data sets that we have here. So it's possible for us to group our rows and then decide to have subtotals of these rows as we group them. For example, we may decide to group our rows for north as well as south, east, and west, or using the salesperson that we have here. We may decide to group using the salespersons here, then have subtotals for each of them. So that's just what it's all about. And to do this, you just have to click on any of the cells in this data. So I will just click here. Then from this, our home tab, we move to our data tab. So you click on data tab, then come to this outline. So under this outline, you select subtotal. So when you click on subtotal, it's giving you options. So here you may want to change what it has auto-selected. So here it wants at each change in currently region, which is this. But you can also select others like salesperson, unit, and so on. So in my case, I want to use region. Then what I want to do is sum. So you can also choose count, average, and so on. And I want to add the subtotal to revenue. You can as well choose unit sold, since it's also a number here. Then click these two, and then click on OK. So once you do that, you see that it has been able to give us subtotals for each of the regions. So we now have totals for north, for south, for east, and for west, which we can collapse by clicking on this minus sign and collapse all of them to the extent that we now have just the grand total of our sales. So we can expand this using this plus sign. Then we see our north total, south total, east, and west total. We may want to just check for our east total, and we click on this plus sign. Once you click on it, it expands it. We are able to see who made the sales, the product they sold, the units they sold, and the revenues they made for each of the sales. We can still expand any of this, whether the north or the west, as we want. And that's just what I want to show you in this video. If you were able to find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.